Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you own a house here in USA and Canada, most of the houses, individual houses here are made extensively of wood materials, okay? That means they are highly fire prone. So when there's a fire in your house due to whatever reason, without going into details, the very first thing comes in everyone's mind is the safety, and it should be, it must be. It should be the safety of you and the people you care for, and those who live with you, like your tenants, neighbors. And I mean, it's really important to save the lives. So of course there are fire codes. Like in my house I have centralized fire alarm. That means if there is an alarm in any section of my house, whether it's in my basement or upstairs, alarms for the whole house are gonna go on, and I have third party monitoring too. But still, I would highly recommend to have these things like fire blanket and fire spray. Of course this cannot dodge a complete fire, but if there's a minor fire that has just been started, that situation can be handled. But yes, of course you should try to attempt this when safe. Suppose you are cooking in kitchen and you see that due to whatever reason flames of your gas just hit the uh, cabinet above, and very small fire is there. That's the moment you act and douse it. But if you see that fire has spread, the first and alarm has gone off, the first thing is to evacuate as early as possible and spread the word, come out of it, take your family members, come out of it. Especially kids must be taken care of in these situations. But as a as a house owner, you should have this, that as I cited a simple example, that let's say you're alone at home and nobody is in the home, and you see a small fire just got triggered and it's very minor now. First of all, you should be ready. Like you should be ready to evacuate as early as possible. Like doors should be open, you know where the door is, and you know how to run and save yourself. But if this is accessible, just pick it up, spray, and after that definitely call the authorities, no doubt. So in these things you should always have, so that you can avoid some disasters. Okay, this is fire blanket, so that it can put on something to stop the oxygen flow, and this is fire vapor clean, like fire spray you can say. Okay, and it's written for small fires only, not for major fires. So you should have this. Okay, and I highly recommend that you have these things in your house. These are not expensive, you can easily get from Amazon, Walmart, and many other shopping websites too. But yes, buy from reliable sources. Okay, so that in case of an emergency they really work, they don't betray you. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.